starlet Veena Malik is back in news yet again. In a hot avatar who promises to set the screen on fire with her upcoming film Supermodel. While Kareena Kapoor is going the easy way to become the next big sensational heroine, here's the hottie trying to grab the limelight, trying her level best to be the next supermodel in B-Town. Let's take a look at Veena's seductive poses on the couch and something more. Having a glimpse of that one, we surely have our share of doubts of her being the next supermodel in B-Town. This is a report by Abhishek Haldar for Rajshri.com.